Despite of a detailed graphic overview of your jobs, nets, and orders in BatchMan, you might find yourself lacking the ability to monitor your process outside SAP effectively. In today's tutorial, we'll take a look at the alerting functionality in BatchMan, providing you with a broader perspective to keep a close eye on your SAP jobs. First, let's set up the alerting tool. Navigate to J5HEN within the BatchMan menu. Under Customizing, Basic Customizing, and then open Alert Tool Configuration. Enter a name for the alert tool. Use a description for the alert and choose the system type. In this example, we will select the SAP Office Mail. Here, you can configure the message for different circumstances. Click on Display Long Text to add more information to your alert email. When you are done, click here to save it. Secondly, we need to add a team or member with an email address so someone can receive the alert emails. You can find this option also under Basic Customizing, then to Message Team Recipient Definitions. Enter the team name you want. Click on the button here to create it. Enable the Via SAP Connect and select Internet address. Type in your email address here. Now you can save the team settings. Now that you have configured all elements for alerts, you can use alerts in jobs, nets or orders. Let's take a look at the alerts in jobs. Return to Master Data, then to Job Maintenance. Choose the specific job for which you want to configure an alert. Go to Alerting. Depending on your requirements, you may need several alert tools and teams for different purposes. In this example, we'll focus on setting up an alert when a job is finished. Enter the BatchMan team we just created and the alert tool we set up. Save the job and submit it to Batch as an INDIV. Afterwards, we can check our email and you should be able to get an email like this. Thanks for watching. If you have more interest in learning BatchMan, feel free to let us know.